Yeah, bumps and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I.
Hello folks, today on Yardie Kitchen we are looking at a cauliflower. Yes, cauliflower. I've had this cauliflower now in the fridge for a little while, and I thought to myself, how can I utilize cauliflower? Now cauliflower, I don't know about other people, but cauliflower is one of those food ingredients that, yeah, we like it, but we don't like it. We love to not like it. And so I thought to myself, we have to utilize it, especially in this our no meat November. All right, so guess what we're gonna do with this cauliflower? We're gonna clean him up, and we are going to put some curry on this cauliflower, and that's gonna be our dinner today. Yes, man. So join us in the kitchen now as we sort out this curry cauliflower. Yeah, and guess what, guys? If you have never watched us before, please hit the subscribe button. If you have watched us before but you have never subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. All right, before we go any further. Okay, so we're gonna clean up this cauliflower right now, and then we're gonna start officially our cauliflower curry, our curry cauliflower. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that, nice, nice, nice. This is gonna be dinner. Super delicious. So here we have our cauliflower now, all cut up nicely into, good bite-sized pieces. And with the cauliflower, we're gonna be adding some of these in. Your powdered seasoning on the low flame, and once you start to smell the aroma coming up, then you want to add your oil. And you're again gonna keep toasting it on the low flame until it is sort of cooked through. If you don't do these steps, especially with a vegetable dish, you may have problems with your curry. So you want to keep it like that, yeah? Make sure you toast the curry up and nicely fry it up, you know? And once your curry has start to, you know, the flame start to come up and you feel the oil getting bubbles and stuff like that, and you start to smell it, yeah, that's important. Then you want to add your aromatics, your garlic, and I'm using my scallion whites, or the white section of the scallion. Yeah, I normally add that with the garlic and the onion. And guys, the aroma is crazy, the aroma in the house right now. And you just want to get this to the stage where it start to release a lot of the flavors, yeah, and start to toast up nicely. That's where you want to get it. I'm quickly gonna chop up my onion and add this to my pot as well. And remember guys, we're keeping the flame relatively low because you don't want anything here to burn. You just want it to nicely flavor up your pot and look good, you know, smell good and everything. And once you get your onion to a nice translucent stage where, you know, nice and the curry is all blended in, you want to add your coconut milk. And remember, because you're doing a vegetarian dish, you want to basically cook your spices and make sure you have a sauce somewhat down before you actually add your cauliflower in, because cauliflower really and truly it doesn't take that long to cook. Now you can cook it for an extended period of time, or you can take it off as quickly as you want, but it's nice to prepare the sauce before, yeah? So now that our sauce is nice and bubbly and everything is incorporated, then now is when you want to consider putting in your cauliflower. Yes, yes, yes. Just making sure everything is well incorporated. And once it has thickened to a nice consistency, almost like a porridgey consistency, that's when you want to get your cauliflower ready, because you're gonna fold it in and make sure everything is touching, the sauce is touching everything. So my cauliflower and my carrots are now being added, yeah, and you're just gonna make sure that you get everything incorporated well. Now you want to add some water, or you can add more coconut milk if you want it to be super duper coconutty. All right, but I'm adding water, guys. And you're gonna allow this to simmer for a while until your cauliflower is cooked through and your carrot is cooked through. I am just trying my best to incorporate everything, make sure every piece of cauliflower touch some curry. And right now the house is smelling awesome. I tell you, trust me. Can't wait to dig into this one. And here I'm just adding some thyme, yeah. And I've also added a few little pieces of butter, and this is butter that's been made with olive oil. It's